Hello, my name is Jeff Hafel and I'm with Arizona Commercial Truck Sales. We are a certified UD dealership with a full service and fabrication center and A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. We are located at 2560 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona at 85213. Currently we have over 30 different types of used commercial trucks for sale, which can be viewed on our website at azcommercialtrucks.net. Or if you have any questions, please give us a call, 480-833-2200. Today's truck is stock number 4735P. This is a 2005 Chevy C7500 crew cab dump with only 75,000 miles on it. This is an Arizona truck, single owner, rust-free. I'm doing a quick walk around. As you can see, it has a tunnel box, has two lower toolboxes. The bed is 18 foot long with 48-inch high sides, swinging barn doors in the rear. As you can tell, it's painted, cleaned up, looks excellent. Everything works on this great, runs smooth. On the other side, you can see there's a bin. It's a 5 foot long bin, a ladder there to go up on top, and it's a crew cab, little storage area down there for the batteries. Excellent shape, no damage on it anywhere. It's really super clean. This cab almost looks new. What I'll do is I'll get more detail here, show you the operation of the PTO, all that stuff. Okay, this first shot is the driver's side front tire. As you can tell, the rubber is in excellent shape. 22.5s. Picture of the toolboxes, all painted up, fresh and neat. Everything works on them, works fine. Here are the two rear dualies on the driver's side. You can see the frame, how clean it is. Everything's painted, sanded down. There's no rust on it. Looks really nice back here too. Everything's painted. Looks brand new. As we open up the barn doors, you can see the inside's been painted as well to inhibit the rust. Here's the doors. Everything looks really new. No damage. New mud flaps. Here's the passenger side rear dualies. As you can tell, aggressive tread on them. Here's that bin. Fit brooms, shovels, all that stuff in there. And we go into the front tire, front passenger tire. It looks like a brand new tire there. Great tread on it. We go on the inside, turn on the PTO. 75,000 original miles. This is how you maneuver the accelerator for the PTO. It goes up and down. Sticker on it showing 25,950 GVW. Haven't weighed the truck, but there's the C7 cat. Excellent shape, fully serviced, fluids changed, filters changed, runs excellent. I can't run the volume because it washes out everything, but as you can tell, super clean cat we got here. We go in the interior. That's the rear seats. There's one little tear there, and there's like one other nick. It's the only damage in the whole interior. As you can tell, it's in excellent shape. This runs the PTO. Once everything's running, you pull it up to dump. And as you can tell, everything works fine on it. Works great. It's a big dump. A little safety bar here. And you can see the frame, PTO, how clean everything is. We do a great job on cleaning and servicing, so everything runs great. There's not a thing wrong with this truck. It's a nice big dump. Little safety bar there. And here we go. So they shut down the PTO. You just got to push it down. And as you see, the dump comes sitting down. Well, that's it. This is the truck. For prices, please call us 480-833-2200 with Arizona Commercial Truck Sales. I'm Jeff Hafel, or visit us on our website. Stock number is 4735P.